Hello, and welcome to Repeat the Beat, a STEAM-based program for junior composers starring Opus and Legato. My name is Leilani, a UCR Music Gluck Fellow. Hey Opus, I want to learn how to play the drums, but I'm not sure where to start. I'm not even sure what music is. Not to worry, Legato. Music is sound that is organized into beats. Most music has a beat that repeats. Neat! So what's a beat? A beat is a unit of musical time. If you clap or tap while listening to music, you are clapping and tapping with the beat. Beats grouped together are called a measure. There can be 2, 3, 4, or sometimes more. Each large Lego represents one beat. When Legato sees a large Lego, he knows to tap his drum once. If there are 4 beats in each measure, how many large Legos do we need? So if each large Lego is worth 1 beat, then we need 4. So that's 4. Good job, Legato. Now remember, each small Lego represents half a beat. When Legato sees 2 small Legos, he knows to quickly tap his drum twice. If there are 4 beats in each measure still, how many small Legos do we need? So if each small Lego is worth half a beat, then we need 4 beats. 2 times 4, so that's 8! 8 small Legos in each measure. Good job, Legato. You can use any combination of large and small Legos in your measure, as long as you fill all 4 beats. Legato, can you tap this rhythm on your drum? Yay, I did it! Good job, Legato. Here we have 2 measures, each with 4 beats. The first measure has 4 large Legos because each large Lego is worth 1 beat. When we play the whole measure together, it sounds like this. Let's listen one more time. The second measure has 8 small Legos because each small Lego is worth half a beat. When we play that measure, it sounds like this. Let's hear it one more time. What do you think would happen if we played both measures together? Let's click on Legato's drum to find out. Let's listen one more time and see if we can hear the large Legos and the small Legos being played together. So the beats and the half beats. Now let's try to tap these beats. Try to read the measure on your own and then click the drums to listen to how the measure should sound and check your work. Let's try the measure above the red drum. Now let's try the measure above the orange drum. Great. Now let's try the measure above the yellow drum. Now the green one. This one's a little bit more complicated, but I think we can do it. Now the measure above the teal drum, that one should be easy. The blue one, it's a little bit harder, but let's give it a try. Now the purple one. And finally, the last drum. That wasn't so bad. After you finish this video, be sure to click on the link for Lesson 1 activity. This will take you to Tynker.com, a free website where kids can learn how to code. If you have an existing Tynker account, you can click Sign in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you'd like to create a free student account, click Sign up for free and follow the directions. You can complete this activity for free without an account, but creating one will allow you to save your work. You should see a page that looks like this. Click Remix to create a copy of the project. Once the project opens, you should see a block library on the left, a coding area with a few lines of code in the middle, a stage preview along with a list of actors on the right. Leave the code where it is for now. You'll get to change the blocks later. If you do alter the code and need to start over, just click on the link again to open up a new copy of the project. Click on the full screen icon at the bottom right of the stage preview to begin. In this activity, we'll create a measure for Legato to play. To do this, we'll need to drag and drop the Legos from the top right-hand corner of the screen into the squares in front of Legato. You'll notice that there are 4 blank spaces. Each space represents 1 beat. Each large Lego equals 1 beat. Each set of small Legos equals 2 half beats. Mix the beats and half beats together however you like. Try to place the Legos inside the dotted lines. If the placement is not correct, that's okay. You'll have a chance to adjust them once we run the program. Be sure to leave any unused Legos in the top right corner so they do not interfere with the code. When you're ready, press play. This button starts the program and sends Legato gliding over the blocks. When Legato passes over the blocks, they'll turn yellow and play a sound. If it's a large Lego, you should hear a drum playing 1 beat. If it's 2 small Legos, you should hear a drum playing 2 half beats. If the placement of the blocks is incorrect or you'd like to change the beat, you can stop the program and try again by pressing the red stop button. Once you've tried the activity, it's time to move on to Lesson 2.